Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome back to the channel. It's always great to have you here. Today I'm going to talk about how to make money easily with trading. Yes, you heard that right. Easy money through trading. Now I know what you're thinking. Trading sounds complicated, right? It can seem like a maze of charts, numbers, and financial jargon. But trust me, it's simpler than you might think. With the right tools and a bit of guidance, anyone can get the hang of it. In fact, making money through trading has never been easier than it is today. The digital age has brought trading to our fingertips. So, how do you get started? What are the first steps you need to take to dive into the world of trading? Well, one of the most popular ways is investing in stocks. Stocks have been a cornerstone of trading for decades. Stocks are essentially small pieces of a company that you can buy and sell. Think of it as owning a tiny slice of a big pie. When the value of the company goes up, so does the value of your stock. Simple, right? It's a straightforward concept but can be very rewarding. But there's another method that's gaining a lot of traction these days, trading using platforms like olymptrade. These platforms have revolutionized the way we trade. Now I'm not promoting any app here, but I gotta say, olymptrade is really easy to operate. It's designed with the user in mind. It's a great way to get your feet wet in the world of trading. So, why olymptrade? First off, it's user-friendly. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll find it easy to navigate. The platform is designed to be accessible to everyone. They offer a demo account, so you can practice without risking real money. This is a fantastic feature for those who are just starting out. And let's be real, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. The platform also provides educational resources to help you understand the basics of trading. Knowledge is power, after all. From webinars to tutorials, you'll find everything you need to get started. These resources are invaluable for building your trading skills. Plus, their customer support is pretty solid if you ever run into any issues. It's always good to know help is just a call or click away. Okay, let's break it down. Here's a simple roadmap to get you started. You sign up, you practice with the demo account, you learn from their resources, and then you start trading with real money. It's a step-by-step process. The goal here is to buy low and sell high, just like with stocks. This fundamental principle applies to all forms of trading, but remember, trading does involve risk. It's important to be aware of the potential downsides. Always invest money you can afford to lose. Never put your financial stability at risk. It's important to approach this with a clear mind and a solid strategy. Planning and mindfulness are key. I'll be posting a detailed video on how to use olymptrade soon, so stay tuned for that. You won't want to miss it. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Stay updated with all the latest tips and tricks. So there you have it, folks. A simple guide to getting started with trading. Making money through trading is not as hard as it used to be. With the right tools, anyone can succeed. With platforms like olymptrade, anyone can get started. It's accessible and user-friendly. Just remember to be cautious and do your research. Knowledge and preparation are your best allies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Stay tuned and happy trading. Let's make those financial dreams a reality.